Are you selling on both Shopify and Amazon? Managing inventory across different platforms can quickly become a multi-channel nightmare, leaving your stock divided and your cost high. Many sellers dump all their stock into an Amazon warehouse, but using Fulfillment by Amazon for non-Amazon orders means you subject your business to strict rules and skyrocketing storage costs. With unpredictable Amazon FBA fees, relying solely on an Amazon fulfillment center for your Shopify orders will drain your profits. You need a flexible alternative that serves all channels. This is why top multi-channel brands trust a 3PL. By moving your core stock to China division, we fulfill your Shopify orders directly to global consumers, while prepping and replenishing your Amazon stock as needed. Optimizing your Amazon shipping from China through a unified 3PL partner eliminates double shipping, giving you total freedom to scale your independent store and your marketplace side by side. No more split inventory, no more penalty fees. Just one centralized hub ensuring your global logistics flows smoothly, regardless of where the customer clicks buy.